Did you know that the first ever high-level programming language was developed in the 1950s? It was called Fortran, short for Formula Translation, and it was designed to make it easier for scientists and engineers to write complex mathematical calculations. Before that, most programs had to be written in machine code, which was tedious and error-prone. Fortran revolutionized programming by allowing developers to write code closer to human language. Even today, it's still used for scientific and engineering applications. So, next time you run a simulation or calculate something complex, you're connecting to a piece of computing history.